this video, I'm going to show you how to blend two images together in Adobe Photoshop. So there's a few different ways that you can blend images together, but I'm going to show you one simple, easy method using AI. So first, we're just going to go and create a new document in Adobe Photoshop. And then once you have your new document, we're just going to drag some images onto the template like this. So here's my first image. And what we're going to do is just position this over to the left. And I'm going to resize this so it fits the full width of the screen. And then I'm going to position this over the left side over here. Then what I'm going to do is drag my second image onto the screen like this. And then once again, you're going to reposition and resize this onto the screen. And then you want to position this somewhere on the right of your other image, and we also want to leave a white gap between the two images. So once you're happy with the position, just click on done, and then you need to select the rectangle marquee tool, and then you just need to make a selection that overlaps both of the images and also this middle white section. So once you have your selection like this, click on Generative Fill, and then just go and type in blend these two images together. Then we can click on generate, and then give that a few seconds while it goes and blends these two images together. And now it doesn't always get this perfect the first time, so you might need to try different variations of this. You can click on this arrow key down at the bottom here and it will show you different variations you can choose from. And if you're not happy with the results, like these ones here aren't particularly great, is what we can do is select the image that we like the most. So I'm going to pick this second one here. Then we're going to click on the three horizontal dots and select generate similar. Then once again, just give that a few moments while it does its thing. And then once again, you can use the arrow keys to find the blend that you like the most. Now, usually after playing with this tool for a little while, you'll be able to get something that you like. So you can see this is one that I generated earlier, and I just changed the prompt here to blend two images and press generate. And it gave me this one here, which I quite like. And you can see the two images are now blended together. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.